Yo, what's up? We out here. I was supposed to be going to sleep, you know, but it's Wednesday. We drag racing already. I already got 2 lineups. What's up, everybody? It's the next day. We're gonna start working on the bumper. I think we're gonna try something new to try to get it to fit on. But this is a lot of work, man. I should have stayed stock. It would have been much easier. I probably already had the car painted, but I wanted a different look that no one had. So here we are, struggling to get everything looking good. Just taking too long, man. So we're already trying to patch up the holes here. So our goal is to get this done today, put back on, because it is Thursday. We gotta have this car rolling for the weekend, man. We got the back bumper on already, but now we have to just get the sides even up so we don't have this gap. So that's the struggle right now. But we gotta take the tire off first before we can even get to the sides right here. We got this piece off the car. It's dirty in here though. We got all these spider webs. So I got this side all screwed back in, but it still pops out like an inch. And it's kind of bugging me, so I guess we're gonna have to put a screw on this side to keep it in more. So it look more lined up. But I just spent like the last 20 minutes looking for my screwdriver. Could not find it. So I had to go get me this green one. And it was over here the whole time. What's up, everybody? It's Friday. We already got the back bumper on, so we've been putting some Bondo on it, sanding it down this morning, getting it ready. We're probably gonna try to move the lights today. I want to get as much work as I possibly can today because we're gonna be going to a car meet later on today. I haven't decided which one yet though, but that's the plan. So we're already getting the sides, trying to get them all evened out. I'm not too sure how long it's gonna take to get done, but we're getting things done. Yo, we are at Ace Hardware in San Jose. I gotta get some more screws to put my license plate back on again. But we're hella early for the car meet. So I'm probably just gonna chill in the parking lot, eat my box of chicken I got, and then, I don't know, cruise around, go do something until it's time for the meet. So let's see what happens. This is what happens when you have no friends, no life, nothing to do. You show up to the car meet like an hour early in an empty parking lot, bored. But at least one person showed up already, so I'm not the only one here early. The cops are always showing up, like they're invited or something. I don't know. They're probably not even gonna do nothing. Be chilling. Like they part of the meet. Yo, the cops kicked us out of our last spot, so we're here at a new one. So let's see if a lot of people show up or not. Shit. We out here. We waiting for everybody to show up. We got a few cars.
You press the gas and the fucking RPM shoot up, but the speed won't go up. Yeah, have to be held.
It's not the fucking tranny, it's the clutch.
A lot more cars that finally showed up.
I don't even want to open the door. She's gonna yell at me, bro.
No, I'm this way. Oh! Yo, people are gonna think it's a real bike though.
Nah, they got gloves on, bro.
Hey! Little flurries.
Oh shit!
Jaden's only got Everyone thinks it's real now. Yeah, everybody thinks it's real. Hey, let's get bets going! Let's get bets going!
Find all the red, all the red.
My money's on the ground.
Get it out,
Yo, hey, pink slips on this bike, bro. I got pinks on blue. Hey! Alright, be with it. Hold on, his tampon fell out. Hey, let's go, Jill. Time. Chill out. Put it back in. I'm bleeding. I swear he didn't hit me that hard. He's like, fuck. If you want to hit this shit. Oh, boy, don't trip. It's just gas. I was trying to get out of it.
Y'all got the wager list?
Guys, pink's over, bro. We got a crowd now. Who else wants to go?
Distracting us. Hey.
A lot of cars have already left. I think we're about to dip too. It's starting to get empty in here. So it's probably the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe.